In this video, you are going to see how to carve table border in Microsoft Word document, as you can see here. Let's get started. Let us go to Insert, go to Table, and let us choose a 3 by 3 table. Select the table, go to Table Layout. You can increase the height of the row like this. Click on the table, click on right button, go to Table Properties, go to Border and Shading. You can increase the thickness of the border. Click on OK, click on OK. Now I have to apply a trick. Let us go to Insert, go to Shape, pick a rounded corner rectangle shape and draw it over here exactly like the table. Now adjust it. Click on over here, go to Shape Fill, make it No Fill. Go to Shape Outline, make it Black Outline. Go to Shape Outline and increase the width. Now keep it outside of the table. Clicking over here, select the table. Go to Table Design, go to Border and choose this option, Outside Borders. Now select the shape and put it over here. You can adjust it and you will see this is looking perfect. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.